Wells Fargo requires passwords to be 8 to 32 characters long, using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. You also can't reuse a password from the last 10 you've used. On the Wells Fargo website, log in, navigate to Profile and Settings, select Change Password, enter your current password, then your new password twice for confirmation, and complete the multi-factor authentication verification. In the Wells Fargo app, open the app, tap the menu 3 lines, go to Settings or Security, choose Change Password, and follow the prompts, which are similar to the website. The app may also offer biometric options. Beyond changing your password, consider these vital security tips. First, avoid using public Wi-Fi when changing your password to prevent interception by malicious actors. Use a password manager for strong, unique passwords that are hard to guess or crack. Enable notifications for unauthorized login attempts to catch suspicious activity early. Wells Fargo also recommends updating your password periodically to prevent credential stuffing attacks, where hackers use leaked passwords from other sites. Looking ahead, the future of password management is shifting toward passwordless methods. Wells Fargo plans to fully support WebAuthn passkeys, enabling passwordless logins via devices like Apple Touch ID or Google Pixel biometrics. There's also a rising trend of AI-driven monitoring, where algorithms analyze login patterns to detect suspicious password changes. Experts predict a decline in password-related breaches as MFA and technologies like blockchain become more widespread. By staying proactive and informed, you can significantly enhance your account security.